All right, so now we have used embeddings as well as transfer learning with Glove, but we haven't touched upon recurrent neural nets yet. And this is what we're gonna do at this point. So I'm gonna take the transfer learning code, is this one here, and make a copy, as we want to use that as the basis for our RNN exercise. So let's open it as we usually do. And the name now is going to change to simple RNN. We're not going to use the glove here. So let me change this to files. And then we're going to do simple RNN IMDb. So let's all of this will remain the same, but we're gonna have a batch size here equal to 32. All right, so all of this stays the same. Sequence padding, we need to we don't need the drive in this case, so this one we can delete. Also this we don't need. Here we may need some of the stuff. So let us run all the stuff before to make sure that we're on the right track. Here we are. Done. All right, so let's look at the results. The results are in the low to mid 80s. But I assume there's going to be some overfitting. So let's run these block of codes here. And yes, we're in the 80s, but we're quickly overfitting. We're overfitting already from the first few epochs. But nevertheless, the result is in line with the results we got in shadow learning. The only thing we still need to focus on is to deal with this overfitting. All right, now we're gonna check at LSTM. So let's take this simple RNN file and use this as the basis. So I'm gonna make a copy. And it's actually gonna be very easy to add LSTM in this case. So basically, we're gonna replace the simple RNN layer into an LSTM layer. So let's do LSTM on IMDb. So we're gonna be able to reuse the bulk of the stuff here. Here's simple RNN. We're just gonna replace by LSTM, and all the rest will remain the same. So let's run this. All right, so here we have the results, 10 epochs, and here we see that we reach roughly 87.3%. If we look at the graphs, we still see that we're a bit stuck at 87.5, and the validation loss is actually decreasing first, but then it's more increasing. Yeah, so there's still an issue with overfitting despite LSTM.